Digitalization in the retail industry. Retail is being pressured by the online world to drastically change. Digitalization has played a huge role in their attempts to recapture the attention of customers. Let's look at the main areas of digitalization. The first area we will look at is the customer experience in stores. Retailers try to make the experience in physical stores similar to the online world. That's why they try to remove all the obstacles that traditionally the stores are putting. More and more stores are introducing some sort of automated checkout. Instead of buying at the cash services by a cashier, you can use automated cash till or scan products with your smartphone. Some firms will charge you based on what you put in your baskets. Charging can be done based on the image captured by cameras like it's done in Amazon Go, or by getting a signal from the product through the RFID tag. A similar problem is solving a small autonomous store. If you enter them and you pick something, it will be charged to your account. Some firms also invest in automated click and collect points. By click and collect points we mean parts of the physical stores where you can pick up goods you have ordered online. Moreover, a lot of money is also invested into making it easier for the customer to find and try the product. An interesting example of that is smart fitting rooms and smart mirrors. Smart mirrors enable you to check the availability of other sizes. Some of them can also display what you could look like in a piece of clothing. Retailers are experimenting with in-store augmented reality, or virtual reality experiences. Usually, they use it to show promotions or engage the customer more. Some solutions enable you to see the product that is not available in a specific store, but can be purchased in other stores. Bigger stores are introducing interactive maps that help you find the right product. Some use for that a map on the mobile app, whereas others are thinking about augmented reality. We have also seen some retailers that are building apps that give advice to customers. Such apps are a more scalable version of sales reps. Now let's see what ideas are being tested in the online world. Firstly, in the online part of the business, the use of chatbots becomes more frequent. They can be used to handle even pretty complicated requests from customers. Thanks to that you can sell more, faster, and with fewer people. Secondly, most online stores will provide interactive recommendations, based on trends and occasions. The store is customized to every customer based on the available data. More advanced online stores build their own AI, that gives well-adjusted to the person, and the occasion, recommendations about the products and services. There has been also huge development in the integration of data from the online and offline world. If you have your account registered with the retailer, most likely he will show you all the purchases that you have done in the online and offline stores in one place. The retailer will show you the history of purchases, and you can get digital receipts for the purchases as well. This greatly simplifies the process of returning goods to the retailer. Some retailers are investing heavily in augmented reality and virtual reality, which helps the customer see at home the product that they are considering buying. In this way, they help the customer make a better choice. This option is extremely important with bigger, more expensive items like furniture. Finally, for regular purchases, you can set up a subscription to products. Thanks to this you don't have to worry about ordering specific products. They will be sent to you regularly, based on the subscription you have selected. Digitalization has been also important when it comes to the supply chain. Using AI and replenishment helped drastically reduce the inventory and order the right things when they are needed. Orders done by category managers and store managers are usually underperforming the orders done by AI. Secondly, thanks to RFID tags you can instantly check the inventory both in warehouses, as well as in stores. This further helps you decrease the inventory and prevent waste. This is especially important with products that have a limited shelf life. Thirdly, automation is an important topic in the supply chain. Almost everything is being automated in warehouses either through complicated transportation lines, or with robots. We should also see in the few years the usage of autonomous trucks. When it comes to other areas, we have seen a big shift to digital marketing. Retailers have been busy digitalizing the back-office processes. Advanced retailers are paperless organizations. Everything is done in a digital form. Additionally, more and more tasks in category management are digitalized and shifted to software or even AI. Last but not least, huge investments are done into digitalizing the recruitment and training of people. retailers still employ a lot of people scattered across many stores. Remote online training has helped drastically decrease the cost of training. To sum up, retailers concentrate mainly on improving the customer experience both online and offline, as well as digitalizing the supply chain. Happy customers tend to spend more with retailers. Furthermore, digitalized supply chain helps you lower costs and deliver the customers exactly what they need, and when they need it.